Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're illuminating your outdoor space by exploring how to choose the right fence lighting for different ambiances. Let's brighten things up. First, let's talk ambience. Are you aiming for a cozy, inviting space, or something more modern and sleek? Your choice of lighting can significantly affect the mood of your yard. For a warm and cozy feel, consider using string lights or lanterns. Warm light bulbs create an inviting atmosphere perfect for gatherings and relaxation. Hang them along your fence to add charm and comfort. Next, if modern is your style, go for integrated LED fixtures. These sleek options can be mounted directly onto your fence, providing a clean and contemporary look while being energy efficient. Safety is key. For security purposes, consider motion sensor lights. These illuminate your space when movement is detected, adding both security and functionality to your fence lighting. Lastly, use lighting to highlight specific features in your yard. Spotlight fixtures can draw attention to plants, sculptures, or pathways, enhancing the overall beauty of your outdoor space. To recap, choose lighting based on the ambience you want to create. Warm string lights for coziness, sleek LEDs for modern flair, motion sensors for safety, and spotlights for highlighting features. If you found these video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.